Hi guys, glad to see you. Mike Johnson here from epicprogressonline.com. Today I want to share a quick article and idea on how to make more money quickly in your business. There's a lot of ways to do it. This is the best way I've found. How to quickly start selling a product in 30 days or less. In the last video, I shared how to make affiliate marketing really work in today's world. Things have changed a lot. It's a lot different than the early World Wide Web days. People watch content differently. They buy things differently. Everybody wants the new thing. They always think the grass is always greener somewhere else. Let's talk about starting out an online business or adding a new niche to your existing business, a new product line. You really need an infrastructure and a solid plan before you start. Here's what I would do if I was starting today. Pick one group of people with one or more big problems to solve. Create a simple business plan with 3 product ideas: a low ticket for $7, a mid ticket for $47, and a mid to high at $199. These products solve for one of those big problems. The low ticket, you want to help them solve just one part of that problem, the first step. That product by itself gets them a solid result, a quick win. It can be as simple as a 10-page cheat sheet or guide, or a simple little report. Your mid-ticket goes deeper into the next step, especially now that they've solved that first problem. You teach them the next step they're going to have to solve. This needs to have more components, ideally a video or audio instructions, a simple 10-part video course, and email access to you. The mid-high product is really simple. You're just going to do a live workshop on Zoom and answer Q&As. Over 2 days, just do two 2-hour sessions max. What do you teach? The same things you covered in your first 2 products. Just go more in depth, answer questions, save the recordings, give them the replay, have more offers on the replay page. What you're doing here is building your infrastructure, a complete plan, a circle. It will change as time goes on, but start with your basic plan. You add more pieces later. Don't get carried away. Don't get ahead of the game. The numbers might not add up. What most people do is they think business is just one thing, one product. No, no, no. Don't be a one-trick pony. It's a whole system designed to walk people through your product lineup. Why? What if you just want to do one thing? I'm sorry to tell you, the numbers just don't add up. You'll never be able to sell enough copies to make much difference in your life because there are lots of expenses and it takes time. Everything takes time, more time than you expect. Ads are expensive. Creating content takes over your life and burns you out. It's time intensive. We all have limited time. All the long-term successes out there have multiple products. That's how you build a business, because you need to increase the value of a customer. One purchase is great, but now you need to find more new customers if you want to make any money. The real profit is in repeat buyers. Get them to buy again and again. You grow faster and a lot easier if you can get your customers to keep coming back and buying more and more. Turn that $7 customer into an $800 customer. It's easier and less expensive than hunting for new customers and spending all your time and money looking for new customers. Keep the customers you've already got. Now keep your shorts on. You don't have to wait till everything is done to start making offers. Get your $7 product done, set up the shopping cart, sales page, and download page. Now you can start selling. Run some ads, social posts, use social media, YouTube, tell all your friends, give away 5 copies to get testimonials. Does it even sell? Can you even give it away? If you see the potential, now you can start working on your mid and mid-high product. Write the sales pages first so you'll know what to put in your product. It's a lot easier. Don't create the product and then try to write the sales page. Write the sales page, put in what you want to put in there, what your product's going to contain, and then you build the product to match up and give everything you promised in the sales page. It's so much easier. I know it seems scary, but it's not hard. You can cover the same material in all 3 products. So you use your low ticket product as a guide. Basically, you just expand on the ideas and go deeper. Luckily, the workshop is easy. You just need an outline of the same information. Plan what you're going to talk about, what you want to cover, key points, give examples, live demonstrations you can run through, and then just answer questions people have. Remember this key point. These 3 products cover the same topic, solve for the same specific problem. The difference is only the amount of content, how it is delivered, and the level of access you get. They pay more for more personal support from you. They pay more for more access to you. Basically, the plan is to choose your problem, choose who you will help, draw out your 3 product ideas, and create the $7 product for sale. If it starts selling, build out your infrastructure from there. Add an opt-in page with a free exclusive content video. Write your email sequences to sell all 3 products. Create product 2 and make it live. Create your workshop offer and make it live. Add more emails to your sequence. You do it slowly as time goes on. 1 piece at a time. Start selling your $7 product. Test, see what happens before you build a bunch of stuff. Hope it helps. Be sure to get on my email list. I drop my very best information to my subscribers. It's where I share great stuff 2 or 3 times a week. You can sign up for it at epicprogressonline.com. Check out the link in the description. Looking forward to seeing you there. Thank you.